Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have a Acquaer transfer pump, and let me get to. Basically, it has a built-in overload thermal protection, thermoplastic body resists corrosion, stress, and heat. Convenient carry handle for transport. Then on the side, it basically has like the performance. So it has a maximum head of 46 feet. Discharge head is basically at 5 feet, 264 gallons an hour. 10 feet, 242, 20 feet, 195 gallons per hour, 30 and 40. So it's got at 40 feet, it will do basically 60 gallons an hour, so basically a gallon a minute. So this is not submersible, so you're not putting this pump into the water via lowering it or anything else. It's not designed that way. It's not a sump pump. It's basically a transfer pump. So it makes it different. Sump pump you can submerge, transfer pump you do not submerge. So that is your directions. And then this is the pump. It's pretty small and compact, like I said. I mean, that's it. And it has your 120, 110 volt cord on it. And then you have, this is basically going to be the submersible transfer part. So basically kind of like just put that end on there. You don't have to basically screw it in, so it's just basically kind of like a form fit. Then you put that on, and it gives you spare impeller, seal. So that's super useful. And it does have a seal on this already. So basically we are going to test this out. We are going to fill up a large bucket, and then we are going to hook the pump up and see how long it takes to basically empty out. So again, it should be really rapid. And again, this is super useful, especially if you have like in your flooded area, for example, if you have to get a lot of water transferred fast, this is what you'd be using for. Not submersible, but you can put a hose in the area, then you have the discharge on the other side. So it gives you a really good idea of how much water it can do. So anyway, stand by. We'll go outside and we'll be right back. All right, so we have a 5-gallon bucket filled. We're gonna see how long it takes to empty out. And the inlet side is on the cord side, just so if you're not sure. We're gonna plug it in. So that's about 1 minute right there. You can see how much it's taken out. Definitely a little more than a gallon. Alright, so we're coming up on about 2 minutes. It's almost more than halfway done. So just about 3 minutes and we're almost done. I'm going to hold that flatter so So we're coming up on just about 4 minutes and we're just about empty. All right, so under 5 minutes. So under 5 minutes, we basically emptied out a 5-gallon bucket. So this thing does well over 60 gallons an hour. Pretty good performance. And this is one of those flex hoses, so added some extra resistance. If you have more of a free-flowing hose, you would definitely be beyond that. But that's a great little transfer pump. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.